Namaste, my name is Kim and I'm from Vietnam. First of all, I have to say that I'm very appreciated to be here, have opportunity to become an intern in Sanskriti University. This is my first time I travel abroad, and I feel a little bit confused and worried about this, but India has changed my mind because I came to India in very cold midnight, and then the university provided me the transportation, and then they pick me up from the airport. They provide me the very wonderful room in Kaveri hostel, and I really like it. During 2 months in Sanskriti University, I have opportunity to work with my dean and expand my knowledge about my major. Actually, this is my first time I doing the research, and my research has been published, and I really appreciate about this. And also, I have opportunity to become a teacher. I'm teaching in supply chain management, and I feel like I'm improved my soft skill, and also I feel like more confidence about this. University provide me the transportation, so I have opportunity to go anywhere, like some city nearby, like Agra. I visit Taj Mahal, it's very nice place. And also I have tried so many food in India, and I really love Thai food. Thanks for listening.